Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can farm gold ingots in Windrose. Now the location you're going to be looking for is the Blackbeard Ruins excavation site. And if you take a look at the bottom of the description, you can see that you can get gold ingots. You can only find this location around the foothills region, which is the second region of the game after the coastal jungles. Now do be careful when exploring this area. You're going to get a lot of gold ingots when exploring this, but that also means there's an equally large amount of enemies guarding the area. I highly suggest making sure the entire area is safe before you start any looting. But of course, if you're desperate, then just blitz through the area and loot all of the gold ingots. Now the containers you're going to be looking for are these ancient containers. Once you pick it up, this is going to net you between 1 to 3 gold ingots. And there's a lot of these scattered around the ruins. For this one right here, I got 3 gold ingots as I said previously. Another 2 right next to it, and then 3 more. You get the point. Once I finished collecting all of the gold ingots, I got a total of 20 gold ingots from this ruin. Now these containers do respawn after 6 hours. Now you don't have to play the game for 6 straight hours for that cooldown to apply. You can still close the game, and after 6 hours, these containers should have spawned again for you to collect. And that's pretty much about it on how to farm gold ingots in Windrose.